let's take a look at the 4-hour chart here on the ES. We were like waiting yesterday for this break. Where did it go? I believe it was on the 15-minute. It just didn't even retest till later on. This was on Tuesday. What's today? Wednesday. So you had to kind of break this level. You got the retest. And the reason that we're looking at it here, let me go to the 30-minute just so y'all understand. This is what we identified, right? You take a look left and you've got support, support, support. So clearly, if you're looking to go short, you got to wait for this to break. And I always like to try to get in on the retest itself. I got you, Christopher. I like to wait to get in on the retest itself. So let's go to the 15-minute because that's where I like to trade. And I'll go ahead and take the yellow line off, which is a VWAP, by the way. So you have support, support, support. We break that support area, and then we come back and go ahead and test it here. So that red candle down, test it, and look at that, beautifully just goes ahead and flushes down. Now, you might say, okay, cool, but like, what's your risk reward? What are you kind of putting on? For me, I like to take a look at where my stop is going to be or how much I'm willing to lose. In this case, I would like for my stop to be right above here. Now, that's quite a few points. So this would end up being, what is that? That's about 14 points. Now, keep in mind, this happened, at 11 a.m. yesterday, but it's 14 points. So if I know that each ES, the micro E-mini is about, $50 a point, and it's 13 or 14 point stop loss. Let's call it 15 for easy math. And each point is $50. That's about $750 that I'd have to do. Now, if I don't want to risk $750, if I want to risk $500, then I would go ahead and get the micros, and I would get maybe 7 or 8 and have my risk capped at 500. And of course, I would go ahead and take off the gains at $500 as well, so that it ends up being an even 1-to-1 trade. All right, cool. You saw the retest there, right? You saw the support, retest, failed, went above at 345, came back down, completely failed. And of course, this is now the after, when earnings came out, that's that session. You had a bunch of reversals that happened on that side of things as well.